Hello, welcome back to Slime Adventure and possibly the last episode. Are you kidding me? FPS drops at the beginning of the video. Anyways, yeah, this might be the final episode in Slime Adventure 2, in my Slime Adventure 2 series. So, oh, there's a drone up there. So, yeah, let's see. I doubt I have everything well, I don't know what I need to do the boss fight. I guess we'll find out, but, yeah, I think it's a boss fight. I think I saw a video about it being a boss fight. Is this are these massive plorts? Hmm. Hmm. Oh, yeah, this looks like is this some like Elden Ring, you know, Souls game bullshit? Um well, I guess. Oh, kind of the FPS drops me in. This isn't. Oh, I got an achievement. Holy shit, can my FPS fix itself? Thank you. Fucking hell. Here it is, Beatrix, the Prismacore. I was breathless when I first saw it. Seeing the way light twisted and moved within it, the way it seemed to change with every moment, it was like staring into the infinite. If I only knew then what would become of it, of me, of everything. I'm sorry to have brought you here, to have pulled you into all this, but it was the only way. But where are you, Gigi? 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 I'm gonna say Gigi. I'm afraid I still can't greet you in person. I would have loved to thank you properly, but I've locked myself away in the facility on the other side of this room. I'll try to explain everything, after all you've been through, to get here. I at least owe you that much. So let's start over. My name is Gigi Twilligers West. Okay. I'm the granddaughter of Hobson and Fora. It's Fora, that old lady that like messages us. You might not believe this, but the short answer is that I'm from the future. In my time, I discovered Rainbow Island and Prismacore, and things went badly. It was rapidly destabilizing, and when I tried to fix it, I only made it worse. I called the wrong people to help, and they tried to exploit its unnatural power. Everything quickly fell apart after that. There was an explosion, prismatic light tore across Rainbow Island and into the atmosphere of the far range. I shielded myself from the blast, but my arm, something happened. The energy from the Prismacore imprinted itself on me. I can feel it coursing in my arm despite my effort to contain it. It's why I've sealed myself away and needed your help. When I get near the Prismacore, it causes the destabilization to accelerate, like it's reacting to its own energy signature. But if you're here, what about back home? My world, the far range in my time, it's on the brink of disaster. The Prismacore's energy has blanketed the atmosphere and has begun to warp the environment as it has here, changing trees to metal, water to glass, and even phasing the natural world out of reality. In time, there will be nothing left to sustain the ecosystem. Faced with that, knowing that I had a hand in causing it all, I had to do something. So how did you travel here? Remember during our previous journey in the glass desert, where my grandfather led you to a portal beyond space and time? When you got there, it seemed like it was ruined. Well, that's because I had already used it. I was able to direct the one in my world to this point in our timeline. There was just one problem. It crumbled from the shock of activating it when I arrived. I didn't realize it would be a one-way trip. So you're stuck here. Yes. Perhaps there's a way of repairing the portal, but like so many things here, it's beyond my understanding. So I have to accept that I will never return home, never see my family again. But it will be worth it if we can somehow stabilize the Prismacore. If we can do that, then not only do we save everything here and now, but it will fix my mistakes in the future. I have to believe that. How do we stabilize the Prismacore? In my research here, I discovered that whoever built the Great Labyrinth created devices called harmonizers designed to stabilize the Prismacore. only they just didn't work. There's evidence that it was attempted multiple times, each time having the opposite effect and making the situation worse. But if they didn't work before, how will it work this time? I'll have to explain later, but I think I have something that maybe they didn't. Something that might allow it to work this time. There's only one problem. The harmonizers are lost. There's no record of where they are located. Heck, there's no record of what they even look like. I'm completely in the dark here and I don't know what to do. You know, your grandfather once gave me some great advice. Oh? What did he say? Never give up, to keep pushing through when all odds are stacked against you? My mom always said Grandpa had way with words. He said keep your peepers peeled. I didn't know that this was, I didn't know. Huh, cool. I was just saying that because I was, okay, yeah, okay. I didn't know that this was actually part of the story. Huh? What do you mean? The only way to find something hidden is to look for it. But where do we even start? I've seen some funny looking walls here. Seems like a good place to start. Beatrix, that's it. I kept thinking I'd find a door or something I couldn't enter. But what if they're hidden in plain sight? I I think I could make some new tech that you could use to test this theory. Head on over to the exchange station on the balcony above and I'll get you set up. Okay. Oh, shit. Hello again. Oh, I was saying, I think I can invent something. Very hope so. My guess is that anything unstable or out of place here is a result of the prisma waves blanketing the labyrinth and transmuting fiends. If I could invent something to nullify them in just a localized area, it might be enough for you to uncover where the harmonizers are hidden. Well, for starters, I'll need prisma plorts to make the blueprint. I'll need to run all kinds of prism tests to figure out the parameters we're working with. As for actually building it, those strange shadow slimes might be the answer. The plorts have a natural dampening effect on prisma waves. Maybe they evolved to do that somehow? They can flatten the wavelengths in order to... Sorry, I'm getting caught up in things here. Just keep an eye out for shadow plorts, as they might be useful later. In the meantime, bring me your prisma plorts, and then I can get to work on the nullifier device. Got it. And by the way, I can also exchange plasma plorts for coins you can spend at a kind of underground market, something I discovered while looking for some of the special tech I needed to build my facility. But never mind that. The important part right now is working on that nullifying device. So go get those plorts. We're getting closer, Beatrix. Let's see this thing through. Fucking okay. Oh, okay. I rigged up this hydro shower for emergencies, but there's no water running to this place, just lava pipes. When someone get water running, it will definitely prove useful, trust me. I'll explain more later. Can I not just? Nope, I cannot. Okay, so this probably won't be the last episode. Which is okay, that's fine. That is a-okay. So, Prisma plorts, which I know how to get them. Okay. Okay. I don't have anything to shoot at you guys, so I can't even collect your plorts, damn it. Why can I not open this? Okay, see. This is where I can get a bunch of unstable plorts. Go. Wait a minute, can I just... Nope, I cannot. No! Hmm. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's get as many Prismaplorts as possible. Any more around here? I don't know. I don't think so. Actually, no. There's a lot. What am I saying? Look at this, yeah. Hmm. Okay. I'm guessing that these ones give you like double? Yeah, they do. Well, that's huge. Okay. Let's then... I don't see any other unstable plorts around here. Okay. That's fine. Let me grab a chicken. Because I'm gonna use the chicken to get a lot of shadow plorts. Oh wow, it's so nice when you can actually see where you're going. No shadow plorts gonna pop out this time. Nope, doesn't look like it. Okay. Okay, that's fine. You gonna stop here so that I can collect you? No? Okay. You bastard. What? What? Wait, did I just unlock all of these things right now? I I don't know. I don't know. What's this? Also water, I'm guessing. Oh, I never actually went here. Oh, this is her. Facility thing. Okay. I can go in there, look. Eh. Okay. Hmm. So the nullifier, I'm guessing I need to... Gadgets are not working, okay. Guessing I need to... Utilities... I'm guessing I need to... Get the nullifier, yeah, okay. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay, okay. Hmm. I'm sort of a bit bummed out that I haven't found any shadow slimes, despite them a lot of them spawning here. So, but that's fine. Is there something down there? No, that's fine. It annoys me that I can't use that. That's fine. I can just. Well, I need to go back anyways to see what I need to craft a nullifier. Probably a lot of stuff from here, so you know, maybe I'll be able to craft it already, because I do have a bunch of stuff from here already, so yeah. Oh wait, you can give me... No! Eat the unstable shit! And give me unstable plorts. Yeah, like that. It already left. Okay, it already... Stop! Okay. Let's go see if I can go find... Yeah. Got a bunch of prison floats from that. Awesome. Awesome. I'll take this. Okay. No! No! Don't do that. You bastard! I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna murder. I'm gonna murder. Where's the sun, Finny? Or whatever it is. There it is. Yeah. 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 Cool, cool, cool. Cool, cool, cool. Okay, let me then head back and see what I need to craft whatchamacallit. Let's not take the long way, let's take the short way. Oh! just a bunch of shadow plorts that I got for free. Nice. Cool, cool, cool. I'll take more. Thank you very much. Okay, let's go see what I need to craft a nullifier. Hopefully it's not a lot. It's just a bit. Oh, where am I going? New message. I'm not gonna read it now. Too bad. Too bad. Okay, I got a storage cell. Oh, I can almost grab it! No, we must stay focused. Nullifier. Ain't I fucking smart with it? On the dot. 20 shadow ports. Ain't that just something? Give me the damn nullifier. Yes, please. Cool. And you know what? I'm gonna upgrade my fucking storage. Yeah. Damn fucking straight. Motherfucker. This video probably won't be too long, to be honest, but you know what, that's fine. That is fine. Where am I going? Focus up. Okay. And then... What? Oh, Saber, not Rintel. Ah, for fuck's sakes. I'm stupid, guys. I'm very stupid. You guys still got food? Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm sorry. 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 Don't eat the fucking chickens. I'm gonna fucking kill you. I'm gonna fucking kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you. You're dead. 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 Blah, 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 blah. Fucking come to me, my children. Hey. Don't be. No. Go back inside, you dumbass. Oh yeah, there's food in here and you're going outside. Okay. Okay, 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 okay. I don't want to hear any of your bullshit anymore. There. That should be enough for you bastards. Give me your fucking boards. Ungrateful fucks. You, get the fuck in there. Bastards jumping out of the pen when I'm giving them food. That's how I feel about it. And now, I guess fucking what now? Now, I got upgraded storage. Damn fucking straight. Oh, royal jelly. Well, I have a bunch of that. Oh, praise my lord. Well, I already have some Prisma plorts. How many does it need? 20. I have 21. I do hate this. Yeah, but now we have it, don't we? Hey, fuck. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. Let's go test the nullifier out a bit. You know? I don't know where the fuck to use the nullifier though. But, does it say where? I don't know where the fuck to use the nullifier. I haven't, like, I don't know. Like, yeah, I don't know. I'll Google it. I'll Google it. You know, this episode's gonna be short. Let's run to, let's go back to the Grey Labyrinth. I'll end the video. And then, yeah. Then that should be everything. That should be everything. Hopefully. Okay. Did I check what's down here? Oh yeah, that fucking. Okay, you know, guys. Sorry for this short nothing burger of an episode. Yeah, I'll do some off-camera work and get this shit done because, yeah, okay. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. See ya.